Hi, today in this video, I would like to introduce to you SYNLETT Caregiver Pager Kit. This pager kit comes with 2 core buttons and a battery-operated pager. The Caregiver Pager Kit comes with all the batteries needed and all the accessories that you needed for the attachment. 2 core buttons all have the individual convertible bracket, and the lanyard allows the flexibility when you carry the core buttons around. And what I wanted to highlight is the convertible bracket here. The user can carry the core button or place it on wall or headboard of the bed. It gives you the flexibility of carrying it around. At the same time, you don't need to permanently attach the core buttons on the wall. And for the pager, it has a belt clip at the back for service staff or caregiver to carry on the belt, or just simply place in the pocket because this pager is really small and compact. There's no pairing required. Simply place batteries and it is ready to function. Unlike the other ones in the market, you have to cycle through dozens of alert tones options to find one that works for you. This caregiver pager is really simple to use. It comes with 2 alert tone options. One is DINGDONG, the other one is alarm. When it is on DINGDONG sound, let me demonstrate how the DINGDONG sound goes like. When you press the button, or you can switch to the alarm option. When you press the button, now what I wanted to say is the alarm goes for about 20 seconds. It will stop, but you can still switch off when needed. This is the SYNLETT wireless caregiver pager. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.